This is Matt, and this will be a short video on CapCut pricing. So I'm right here on a CapCut page which shows you the different pricing options they have right now. So in order to get Pro, so Pro is the main paid option that they have right here, other than the free option. You can get Pro and you can pay monthly at $9.99 per month right now, or you could do yearly and you pay $89.99. So I think there's a small saving there. So what I've got right here, the page that I'm on actually is my own affiliate link right here. I've got mattbusiness.com/recommend/CapCut. If you click on that link in the video description just below, you can get 7 days of free Pro. So you get CapCut Pro for free. You don't need to enter your credit card, anything like that. You can just get this free trial, check out the platform, check out the app, see if it is for you. If it is, you can stick around. If not, you can easily cancel without paying anything. So that is a free 7 days. You just use the link in the video description just below. And just something else I wanted to give you here, if you want to know the current differences between standard versus Pro, this is an official kind of documentation blog article that they've got right here on the CapCut website. You can see that CapCut.com right there. That link that is on the screen, I'll include that in the video description as well. That might be helpful to you if you want to check out this article and see what the actual differences are between the standard plan, which is the free plan that they have currently with CapCut, and the Pro plan, the paid plan, which is the plan I've just talked about in this video. So they change things all the time, like with all apps. So hopefully they keep this blog article updated when they change something in the plan, or they change some pricing or something right there. So hopefully you found this video useful on CapCut pricing. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.